Hello students, welcome back. Now in this exercise 13.7 we'll take this volume of mainly for the cone. So volume of the cone, it is the simplest one. So this is 1/3 of the volume of cylinder. So starting with the first question, find the volume of the right circular cone with the radius and height. This is given to us. Radius is given, so volume of cone, this is given as 1/3 pi r square h. सिलेंडर के वॉल्यूम का 1/3. So this is 1/3 into pi is 22/7 into r. R is already given, so this is now 6 into 6 into height is given 7 centimeter. 7 cancels, 3 1 ja, 3 2 ja. So now we can calculate it. This is 264 centimeter cube. Similarly, come for the second one. Volume of cube, this is given as 1/3 pi r square h. So this is 1/3 into 22/7 r is already given in the question. This is 3.5 into 3.5 into h is 12. So this is 1 time, this is 0.5 and we can multiply it. 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja. So now this will be equals to 154 centimeter cube. So coming to question number 2, first part. Here the radius is given to us. Radius is given. Radius is equals to the 7 centimeters and slant height is given. Slant height, this is equals to 25 centimeter. So now in a cone we know the relation between the slant height, radius and the height. So this is now radius, this is height and this is slant height. So this is actually the right circle, this is right triangle angle. So this is L, H and R. So from here use the Pythagoras theorem. So L square will be equals to H square plus R square. So L square is equals to H square plus R square. So L is already given, 25 whole square will be equals to H square. We need to find out, and R square is this. So H square will be equals to 625 minus 49. So H will be equals to 24 centimeter. So H will be 24 centimeter. Now we can find out the volume. So volume of cone, this will be equals to 1/3 pi r square h. So this is 1/3 into 22/7 into r. R is already given to us 7. So this is 7 into 7 into height is 24. 7 cancels, 3 1 3 8. So on multiplication we got this as 1232 centimeter cube. So volume in liters, volume in liters will be equals to 1232 divided by 1000. So this will be 1.232 liters. So similarly coming to the second part. Now in second part again we need to first find out the radius actually. So here also L square will be equals to H square plus R square. L slant height is already given. So this is now 13 square will be equals to H square. Height is given 12 square plus R square. So this is 169 minus 144 will be equals to R square, or simply R will be equals to 5 centimeter. So we got R is 5 centimeter. Now we can find out the volume. So volume of cone will be equals to 1/3 pi r square h. So this is 1/3 into 22/7 into r. R we got 5, so this is 5 into 5 into height. Height is already given as 12. So we can calculate this. So the volume in this case, this will be 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja. So the volume will be, on simplification we got 11 by 35 liters of the volume. So now coming to question number 3. The height of the cone is already given to us. Height of the cone is 15 centimeters. If the volume is, and the volume of cone is given to us, volume of cone is 1570 centimeter cube. Find the radius of the base. So volume of cone, this is equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So volume is given as 1570. This is 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r square. R we need to find out, into height is 15. So r square will be equals to now 3 1 ja, 3 5 ja. So this will be now 1570 divided by 22 into 5. So now r can be calculated from here. So r will be simply 10 centimeters. So r is 10 centimeter from here. Coming to question number 4. If the volume of a right circular cone of height 9 centimeter, height is given to us, height of cone, this is as 9 centimeters, and volume, this is 48 pi centimeter cube. So find the diameter of the base. We need to find out the diameter. So volume of cone, this is equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So volume is given 48 pi. This is 1 upon 3 pi r square. We need to find out, into h is 9. So pi cancelled. So r square will be equals to 48 into 3 divided by 9. So simply r equals to 48 into 3 by 9. 3 1 ja, 3 3 ja 9, 3. Then this will be 16. So r square equals to 16, or r will be equals to 4 centimeters. So we got r as 4 centimeters. So diameter of cone, this is equals to 2 times r. So this is 2 into 4. So this is 8 centimeter. So we got the diameter as 8 centimeter. Now coming to question number 5th. A conical pit of the top diameter. A conical pit of the top diameter. So suppose this is a conical pit and the top diameter is given to us. We can find out the radius. So radius will be now 1.75 centimeters, and this will be the height of this is 12 meter deep. So this is given as 12 meters. This is also in meter. 12 meter deep. What is the capacity in kiloliters? So we need to find out the capacity in kiloliters. So volume of cone, this is given as 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So this is 1 by 3 into 22 by 7 into r square. So this is 1.75 into 1.75 into h is 12. So 3 1 ja, 3 4 ja, 7 1 ja, then this will be 0.25. Now we can multiply this, and we got this will be 38.5 meter cube. So we know 1 kiloliter is equals to 1 meter cube. So we'll use this relation. So therefore volume of conical pit in kiloliters. So this will be equals to 38.5 KL. So now coming to question number 6. The volume of a right circular cone is this much. This is already given to us. Volume of cone, this is 9856 centimeter cube. If the diameter of the base is given, we need to find out the height. So diameter, this is 28 centimeter. So radius will be equals to d by 2. So this is 28 by 2 means 14 centimeters. We need to find out the height of the cone. So volume of cone will be equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So volume of the cone is already given to us. So this will be equals to now 1 upon 3, 22 by 7 into r square. This is 14 into 14 into h. We need to find out. So this is 1 time, this is 2 times. Therefore h will be equals to 9856 into 3 divided by, this will be now 22 into 2 into 14. So on calculation we got h as 48 centimeters. Now we need to find out the curved surface area. So curved surface need to find out the slant height in this. So L square will be equals to h square plus r square. So L square will be equals to h. We got this is 48 square plus r square. This is now 14 square. So L square will be equals to now 48 square. This will be 2304 plus 196. So L square will be equals to, now if we add it, this will be 2500. So L will be equals to now 50 centimeters. So we got slant height as 50 centimeters. Now we need to find out the curved surface area of the cone. So CSA of cone, this is given by pi r L. So L we already got and r is already given. So therefore the CSA of cone will be equals to 22 by 7 into r. R is 14 into L. L is 50. So this is now 2 times. So we got, this is 44 into 50. So on multiplication, this will be now 2200 centimeter square. So this is the CSA of cone. So we got the CSA of cone as 2200 centimeter square. So now coming to question number 7th. A right triangle ABC with the sides 5, 12 and 13. इस क्वेश्चन को ध्यान से देखिएगा बिकॉज एग्जाम्स में ये क्वेश्चन बहुत ज़्यादा पूछा जाता है. अ राइट ट्रायंगल ABC with the sides 5 centimeter, 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter is revolve around. Suppose this is now 12 centimeter, this is 5 centimeter and this is 13 centimeter and this is a right circular. So A, B and C. So triangle ABC with the sides 5 centimeter, 12 and 13 centimeter. Now it is revolve about 5 centimeter. It is revolve around 12 centimeter side. So 12 centimeter side के अराउंड में इसको क्या किया हुआ अभी रिवॉल्व किया हुआ है. फाइंड द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉलिड सो ऑब्टेन. सो वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सॉलिड मीन्स अभी इसको अगर हम 12 सेंटीमीटर साइड के अराउंड में रोटेट करेंगे तो अभी ये साइड क्या आएगी, इधर भी आएगी ऐसे. सो ये साइड अभी इधर भी तो आएगी, मीन्स ये जो सी है तो इधर भी तो आएगा. आई हैव मेड इट एज सी डैश. सो ये अभी क्या हो गया, नाउ दिस विल बी अ कंप्लीट कोन. सो अभी ये क्या होगा, कोन का फॉर्म में बन गया. सो कोन के फॉर्म में बनते हैं, अभी देखिए रेडियस हमें पता चल गया। नाउ रेडियस इज द 5 सेंटीमीटर, height is 12 centimeter and slant height is 13 centimeter. So now we can find out the volumes. So volume of cone, this will be 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So this is 1 upon 3 into 22 by 7 into, now r is the radius, so radius is 5 centimeter. So this is 5 into 5 into height, this is the height now 12. So this can be calculated as, so this will be equals to, now this will be 2200 by 7 centimeter cube. So this is now the capacity 2200 centimeter cube. We can write this as volume. Now coming to question number 8. If the triangle ABC in question number 7 is revolved about the side 5 centimeter, now see that it has been changed. Now this is the 5 centimeter side and this is the 12 centimeter and 13 centimeter will remain the same because hypotenuse never changes. Now the same triangle is revolved around the 5 centimeter side, so there won't be any change except the changes in the height and radius. Now see that if this will be the C dash as the previous one. If I write these points, this is A, this is B and this is C. So this point will be now C dash, बिकॉज रिवॉल्व करेंगे तो सी क्या आएगा, इधर घूम के आएगा, तो अभी इसको हमने सी डैश रखा हुआ है. नाउ सी दैट दिस विल बी अ कोनिकल फॉर्म अगेन एज द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन. सो दिस cone has developed now and clearly the indicated the radius is 12 centimeter, height is 5 centimeter and the slant height is 13 centimeter. So now we can find out the volume. So if the triangle in ABC in the if the triangle ABC in the question number 7 above is revolved around the side 5 centimeter, then find the volume of the solid so obtained. Also find the ratio of the volumes of the two solids obtained in 7 and 8. So first of all we need to find out the volume. So volume of cone, this will be equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So this will be 1 upon 3 22 by 7 into r is 12 into 12 into height is now 5. So this 3 4. So we can calculate this as, this can be calculated in terms of the pi or 22 also. So this is 240 pi centimeter cube. So 240 pi centimeter cube. So now the volume of cone in question 7 divided by volume of cone in question 8. So earlier it was 2200 by 7. So this can be written as 100 pi. So this is 100 pi divided by here 240 pi. So pi cancels, 0 0. Now 2 5 ja 2 12. So this is now in the ratio of, this is 5 by 12. So ratio of the volumes. So volume of cone in question 7 ratio volume of cone in question 8. So this is equals to 5 ratio 12. So we got this ratio 5 ratio 12. So now coming to question number 9th. A heap of the wheat is in the form of a cone with the diameter is, so this heap is in the form of the cone and its diameter is already given. So we can find out this radius. A heap is in the form of the cone with the diameter 10.5 So radius will be 5.25 centimeters, or it is given in the meter, so it is meter. And the height is 3 meters, so height is also given to us. Now 3 meters. Find its volume. So volume of conical heap, this will be equals to 1 upon 3 pi r square h. So this is 1 upon 3 into 22/7 into r square. R is already known, 5.25 into 5.25 into height is 3. 3 got cancelled, so this can be calculated now. So volume of the cone, this will be equals to now 86.625 meter cube. So this is the volume of cone. Now we need to find out, if the heap is to be covered with the canvas to protect it from the rain, find the area of the canvas required. So area of the canvas will be equal to the curved surface area now. So area of canvas will be equals to the curved surface area. So this is now pi RL. So this is 22/7. Now first of all we need to calculate the L, because L is not given over here. So we need to find out the L. So L will be the same as the previous one. So this is now 5.25. This is R. This is L. And this is H. H is given as 3 meters, and this is R. So from here, slant height will be equals to, this will be equals to h square plus r square root. So L will be equals to, now h is already given, so this is 3 square plus 5.25 whole square. So now L can be given as 9 plus, so this can be solved as 5.25 plus, so this will be now 27.56. So on calculation, L will be equals to now 6.05 meters. So now we can find out this area of the canvas. So area of the canvas, this is now pi RL. So this is equals to 22/7 into R, radius is given to us 5.25 into L, we have already calculated, this is 6.05. So CSA will be equals to, on calculation we got the CSA as 99.825 meter square. So with this we have finished our exercise 13.7. Thank you. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, आई होप अभी तक हमने जो भी पढ़ा है आपको समझ में आया होगा. इनकेस अगर आपको कोई भी डाउट है तो आप हमें कांटेक्ट कर सकते हो. आप हमारे एपिसोड्स को लाइक कीजिए, सब्सक्राइब कीजिए और अपने फ्रेंड्स को भी रेफ़र कीजिए, ताकि हम आपके लिए और भी अच्छे अच्छे सोल्यूशंस ला सकते हैं. ओके, टेक केयर, गुड बाय एंड गॉड ब्लेस यू.